All right, what do you have right here?
A popcorn machine.
Is it a new one?
Yes.
All right. What's it doing?
Talking.
Are you excited? Let's watch it.
Is it gonna pop soon?
What?
Is it gonna pop soon?
I think so. What are you going to do with the popcorn?
Eat it.
Would you get Emmy?
What?
Will you get Emmy?
What?
Let Emmy say it. Where's Emmy? Sit her by Isabel.
I mean,
You want everybody to see this, Dad? You might want to close that.
No, it's supposed to be open. There's Emmy and Isabel. Wave at the camera. Here comes the pop. It's getting hot. Uh-oh, I see it bubbling. Are you ready? Say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
It's starting to steam up. I hear it popping.
Is it gonna come out?
What?
Is it gonna come out soon?
Of the pot?
Yeah.
I think so.
Oh. Hi, Fred.
Look.
It's making a lot of popcorn.
Is this your very own popcorn machine?
Yes.
Say thanks, Alana, for getting it.
Thanks a lot for getting it.
Grab a piece and taste it.
Are they hot?
no. Got it.
You should put butter in it.
We'll put butter on it.
What?
That oil that we started it out with is butter oil. We just needed more.
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Say
Turn it off.
say goodbye.
Goodbye.
We're supposed to